Our today's topic is can, could, and be able to. In this video, I will explain when we use can, when could, and when be able to, after you will do mini quiz. So let's not waste our time and get started faster. We use can to say that something is possible or that someone has the ability to do something. The negative form is can't or cannot. Probably you didn't understand, but don't worry, I will show some examples. First, you can see the sea from our bedroom and window. It means that you can see the sea. It shows your ability. Second, can you speak any foreign languages? It is a question, and someone asking you, can you speak in other languages? He is asking, are you able to speak other languages? Third, I'm afraid I can't come to your party next Friday. This sentence shows that you are not able to come. Now let's learn about be able to. Be able to is possible to use instead of can, but can is more usual. Example, are you able to speak any foreign languages? But in this sentence, you can also use can. But can has only two forms, can present and could past. So sometimes you have to use be able to. Example, first, I haven't been able to sleep recently. Second, Tom may not be able to come tomorrow. Now let's learn when we use could and when was able to. Sometimes could is the past of can. We use could especially with these verbs: see, hear, smell, taste, feel, remember, understand. When we went into the house, we could smell it. She spoke in a low voice, but I could understand what she said. We also use could to say that someone had the general ability to do something. My grandfather could speak 5 languages. When Tom was 15, he could run 100 meters in 11 seconds. Now I will give you exercises and you will try to do them in 10 seconds. Choose the correct answer, can or be able to. And one more important thing, in this exercise, you can put will be able to or was able to. And let's check the answers. Like and subscribe for more easy English.